This is the question asked in today's skillrack daily challenge. So we are given n bags as input and our task is to calculate the total number of gold coins that the boy would be able to take as per the conditions given in the question. So let us see our sample test cases. In the first line of input we are given the value of n and then we are given n integers as input, and here every integer is a separate bag. So the first bag is 120 and the second bag is 45, and it is given in the question that the number of boxes present in every bag is the number of digits present in every integer. So in the first bag there would be 3 boxes because the number of digits is 3. So 120 has 3 digits, so there would be 3 boxes present in the first bag, and the first box has 1 gold coin and the second box has 2 gold coin and the third box has 0 gold coins. And similarly for the second bag there would be 2 boxes because 45 has only 2 digits, and the number of gold coins present in the first box would be 4 and the number of gold coins present in the second box would be 5. It is given in the question that the boy always takes minimum number of gold coins in every bag, but the number of gold coins that he take from each bag would always be greater than or equal to the number of gold coins that he has taken from the previous bag. That is, let us start from the first bag. So in the first bag there are 1 gold coin, 2 and 0. So he has 3 options, and as per the question he always takes the minimum number of gold coins. So here the minimum is 0. So initially he would take 0 gold coins because previously he hasn't taken gold coins from any of the bags. So initially he would take 0 gold coins from the first bag, and now when he takes gold coins from the second bag he has 2 options. He can take either 4 gold coins or 5 gold coins, and previously he has taken only 0, and the minimum out of 4 and 5 is 4. Now we have to check whether the minimum value is greater than or equal to the previous number of gold coins that he has taken. So here the previous gold coins he has taken is 0 and 4 is greater than or equal to 0. So he would be taking 4 gold coins from this bag. And now he will move to the third bag. So here he has 2 options, 6 and 7, and the minimum out of 6 and 7 is 6, and previously he has taken only 4 gold coins. So he can take 6 gold coins. And again next he has 2 options. In the fourth bag he can take either 8 gold coins or 1 gold coins, and previously he has taken 6 gold coins. So he would always be taking more number of gold coins than that. So this one will not be possible. Hence we would take this 8 gold coins. And in the fifth bag again he has 2 options, either 7 gold coins or 8 gold coins. Previously he has taken 8 gold coins, so this 7 is not possible, and the remaining is only 8, and the condition is the number of gold coins must be greater than or equal to. So 8 is equal to 8, so he will be taking this 8 gold coins from this fifth bag. And in the last bag there are 2 options, 3 and 5. So previously he has taken 8 gold coins, but in the sixth bag he has only 2 options, either 3 gold coins or 5 gold coins. Both are not possible, hence he would just skip this bag. And now when we add all these integers, so 0, 4, 6, 8 and 8, we would get 26. Now let us see how to write a C program for this. So first I am creating some integer variables named n, val, previous min and sum, and I am assigning the value 0 for the variables previous min and sum, and in the next line I am accepting the value of n, and then I am iterating a loop from 0 to n. So we are accepting the value of n bags in every iteration, and I am not going to store the value into an array. Instead I am going to store our input into this variable named val again and again for n times. And soon after accepting the input we are going to calculate the minimum number of gold coins that the boy would be able to take from that bag, and store it into this variable named previous min, because in the next iteration he should take more number of gold coins than this. and initially the value of previous min would be equal to 0, because when he starts from the first bag, he would haven't taken gold coins from any of the bags previously. So we are assigning 0 to it. And now we have to calculate the minimum digit present in this integer val. So to do that, first I am creating a new integer variable named min, and I am assigning 10 to it, because the maximum value that the digit can be is 9. So when we have the minimum as 10, whenever we find a value that is less than 10, we would be storing this into this variable min. So to do that, I am creating a while loop. So this while loop works until the value val becomes equal to 0, and in every iteration we would be checking the last digit. So the last digit would be val mod 10, and in every iteration we would also be dividing the val by 10. So when we divide value by 10 in every iteration, we would be able to traverse through every digits present in that integer val. So in every iteration, the val mod 10 would be the last digit. So we are checking whether val mod 10 is less than minimum and the val mod 10 is greater than or equal to the previous min, because only then the boy would be able to take that number of gold coins. So if this condition is satisfied, then we are going to store the val mod 10 into this variable min. And after the execution of this while loop, we are checking whether the value of min is equal to 10 or not. If the value of min is equal to 10, it means that the boy has skipped that bag, because we are already assigning the value of min is equal to 10, and min is equal to 10 is not possible, because the maximum digit can be 9 and 10 is not a single digit. So if the value of min is equal to 10, it means that the boy has skipped that bag. That is, the boy is not able to find a box in that bag which has more number of gold coins that he has taken from the previous bag. So in those cases, it is given in the question that the boy can skip those bags. So if the value of min is equal to 10, the boy is skipping those bags. And in those cases, we should not update the values of previous min with min, because the boy hasn't considered that bag itself. So we shouldn't either update the previous min or sum. So whenever the value of min is not equal to 10, we are performing this operation, or else the value remains as such. So finally, after accepting the n input, we would have calculated the total number of gold coins that the boy would be able to take. So finally, after execution of this loop, we are printing the value present in the variable sum. So now let us check our program with sample test cases. So now I have given the sample input 1 and our expected output is 26. So we are also getting 26. And for sample input 2, our expected output is 39. So we are also getting 39. So this is the logic behind today's daily challenge. Thank you for watching.